Class 6 General Knowledge Chapter 4 Create a Green World.
Hello students. First we discuss about the homework. See the homework.
First we discuss about the homework. Those are given on 5th May. Chapter 3 Banking Services. Fill in blanks. First, blank space comes in the form of coins or paper currency and is used for buying things. Here first you fill up money. Second, a blank space is a financial institution where people can deposit their money and also borrow money if required. Here you fill up bank. Third number, a blank space is a planned way to spending the money earned. Here you write budget. Fourth number, blank space is the money a person puts aside for the future or for an emergency. Here write savings. You fill up savings. Fifth number, blank space is a service that facilitates banking activities on a computer with help of the internet. Here you fill up online banking. Next is the extra money that a borrower pays to the lender for the money he must have taken from him till he does not return the complete amount. Here write interest. Next, 7 number, a blank space is when a person puts money into his bank account to increase the amount already there. Here fill up deposit. Okay. Now next, 8, a blank space is when a person takes out money from his bank account. This acts reduce the account balance. Here you fill up withdrawal. 9th, and blank space is the amount of money the person has is his bank account. Account balance. You fill up here account balance. Now 10th number, and blank space is an electronic machine that performs banking functions like cash withdrawal, pin exchange, etc. Here you write ATM. Next, 11 number, blank space is the account a person opens with a bank which allows him to deposit, safeguard his money, earn interest and also make check payment. Here you fill up bank account. 12 number, a check is a document that instructs the bank to pay a particular sum of money from that person's account to the person whose name is there on the documents. You fill up here write check. All exercise, all fill in blanks, write in copy and learn in proper way. If you have any confusion, see the PDF file of this homework. Today we discuss about the chapter 4 shopping etiquette. Shopping etiquette. You know that most of the person like shopping. Okay, are you like? Yes. Shopping is a mood fitting exercise. It is a simple task and also a task that are enjoys. Some simple guidelines
that would make the activity of shopping more fun and productive. Here, productive. Here, some topics are given. You follow these topics, these guidelines one by one. First is prepare a shopping list. Prepare a shopping list. Shopping becomes easy if a person has prepared a list of items and that one has to buy. Understand? You prepare the list of the products, of the items. Okay, next topic. Carry enough cash, credit card or debit card. Make it a habit to check your wallet before leaving for the market. If you want to go to market and purchase anything, first you check the wallet. In wallet you have debit card or credit card or cash or not. Next topic is avoid rush hour. Shop at leisure and avoid those times of the day when the markets are crowded. Next topic, fourth number, better not to excessively touch the items on display. Means while it is important to thoroughly check items you plan to purchase, especially fruits and vegetables, squeezing or fine getting with them may actually damage them. Okay, now next topic is MRP and date of expiry. It is better to check the MRP of a product, maximum retail price you check, and also check the expiry date, especially food products, medicines and cosmetics. Next, carry a jute or cloth bag. It is highly recommended to always carry a jute or cloth bag. Now credit card. Here credit card, what do you mean by credit card? A credit card is a payment card issued to a user to enable the card holder to pay a merchant for goods. What is a debit card? Debit card, a plastic card that can be used to take money directly from your bank account when you pay for something.
Now write over whatever you study in this online class. Chapter 4, Shopping Etiquette. Answer the following questions. First, what are some simple guidelines that would make the activity of shopping more fun and productive? Question 1. 2. What do you mean by credit card? What do you mean by credit card? And third number, what is the full form of MRP? What is the full form of MRP? This question write in copy and you try to solve it, but in next video I solve